Hi everyone. Hey, we're at the Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. It's a Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. This is their one bedroom. We've just looked at the living room and the kitchen. Now we're going to explore the bedroom and the bath in detail. So we're in the bedroom. Wow, it is massive. It's a very big bedroom. This is a queen bed, but I don't know why they didn't just put a king. It could easily fit it. There's a lot of space in here. So it looks like in here. It's really pretty, beautiful actually. And man, I actually like the sheets and the comforter they put in there too. Really nice. But you can see there's tons of space here. It's a really pleasing kind of cream color. I like the cream, the dark cream and the light cream accents. So it's super cool. Hey, the bathroom just gets even better. Two huge dual sinks. Those are gorgeous. You've got some really nice cabinets, white cabinets there. And then look at this flooring. The flooring is phenomenal. It looks beautiful. I also love the this gorgeous walk-in shower. That's amazing. And then look at this closet. The closet's super. It's super de duper. It really is. It's a lot of space here. This is really cool. So anyway, I love it. Also, if you notice the flooring, there's no carpet. It's all that luxury vinyl that's going throughout this whole thing. So it makes cleanup easy, and it really makes everything easy. To be honest, especially if you have pets, or if you're allergic to pets. It's just easier to clean floors when you have this kind of flooring. Anyway, that's a little bit more about this beautiful one bedroom at the Modera Waugh. If you have questions or you're ready to take a tour, hey, my number is below. Send me a text, and if you just want to start with maybe a Zoom tour, we can do that. We can do a live tour also, but we'll be the fastest way to set up that tour for you. If you want to talk about Houston apartments also, there's no better way than just to talk to me. I'm able to help you find that perfect place here in Houston. I'm always filming, always checking with Houston apartments to get the best ones for you. So text me and just say, "Hey Grant, I love your help. I want to get you on to get my perfect apartment here in Houston. I can't wait to help you do that." Hey, now we're going to do just another quick walkthrough or two of this pretty one-bedroom apartment. So if you've seen these detailed walkthroughs, you may or may not want to see the next videos. They're just short versions of this. But if you want to hang loose, and these will play really quick.